Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been hearing scratching sounds in the walls at night, finding rat droppings in the garage, or seeing cockroaches around your kitchen or garden, today's video may save you a lot of money. Instead of spending hundreds on pest control services or expensive traps, I'm going to show you a simple, homemade trick using everyday household ingredients many people already have at home. And the best part? It's quick, affordable, and incredibly easy to prepare. And before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our easy home tips, beauty tricks, and money-saving ideas. Alright, let's get started. First, grab a small plastic container or bowl. Into that bowl, add 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent. Any brand will work fine. Powder detergent usually works best because of its strong smell. Next, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. White sugar, brown sugar, or raw sugar all work. The sugar helps attract pests because rats and cockroaches are naturally drawn to sweet smells. Now mix those dry ingredients together really well. After that, add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste. Mint toothpaste works especially well because of the strong scent. Once you add it in, start mixing everything together until it forms a thick paste. You want the texture sticky enough to spread onto bread. Now, take a few slices of soft bread. Sandwich bread works perfectly because rats can easily chew through it. Spread a small amount of the mixture onto the bread, just like this. Make sure you wear gloves if possible and avoid touching your face while preparing the mixture. Once the bait is ready, place it in areas where you've noticed pest activity. That could be behind appliances, near garbage cans, inside the garage, under sinks, near gardens, or around outdoor storage areas. If you've seen rat droppings or chew marks, those are usually the best locations. Here's why many people believe this method works. The sweet smell attracts rats and cockroaches to the bread. After eating it, the detergent and toothpaste mixture may upset their digestive system and discourage them from returning to the area. Some homeowners also use this trick as a low-cost alternative before calling professional exterminators. Now, very important warning, if you have pets or small children, keep this mixture completely out of their reach. Always place it only in hidden areas where pets cannot access it. Also, remember, no homemade remedy works like magic overnight. Severe infestations may still require professional pest control. But for many people, simple DIY methods like this can help reduce pest activity and save money at the same time. Another important tip is keeping your home clean while using any pest control method. Don't leave food uncovered overnight, take out trash regularly, seal cracks in walls and doors, and avoid standing water around the house, because even the best bait won't help if pests continue finding food and shelter inside your home. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe for more affordable home tips, garden hacks, and DIY solutions. Thanks for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.